Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Google Ads payment methods and billing. You know that Google Ads offers a few different payment methods like automatic payments, we have manual payments, and also we have monthly invoicing. Now on automatic payment, this is the default option. So Google Ads automatically charges your chosen payment method, usually a credit card, to your ads run. You can set a daily or monthly budget and Google Ads will automatically charge you when you reach that limit. The manual payment option. You will need to manually add funds to your Google Ads account before your ads can run if you use this method. This gives you more control over your spending but requires you to monitor your account balance closely. The last method is monthly invoicing. This option allows you to run ads and receive a consolidated invoice at the end of the month. You then have a set period to pay the invoice. This option is often suitable for businesses with larger budgets. Now, how do you set it up or change your payment method? 1. You need to access your billing settings. In your Google Ads account, click on the Tools and Settings icon, which looks like a wrench. Next, select Billings and then select Settings. Next, locate the section titled How You Pay. Then, choose the payment method you want to go with. For example, like I said earlier, you can choose automatic payments. And if you want to use this, you can simply add a new payment option by clicking Add Payment Method and enter your card details. Then you can edit the existing payment information by clicking Edit next to the card you want to update. Now, the second way you can do under the choosing your payment method, actually the fourth method is automatic payment. Second method is manual payment. So what do you want to use manual payment? Simply click Switch to Manual and confirm your decision. Then once you switch to manual, you will need to add funds to your account by clicking Make a Payment. Now, important notice: payment security. You see, Google Ads uses industry standard security measures to protect your payment information. And next, billing thresholds. You can set a billing threshold for automatic payment, which is the amount you can spend before Google automatically charges your card. Review billing statements. Regularly review your billing statements to ensure accurate charges and identify any potential issues. I hope this comprehensive information helps you understand Google Ads payment methods and billing and how to set them up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.